Good morning. How are you doing, guys? December 2nd, 2022. Uh, Non-farm payroll data just came out almost half an hour ago. Again, higher than expected, which we know what that means. Means that inflation is still high, and not long ago, Fed Powell was talking about uh, the the rate hikes could be lower than expected for next meeting, but with this data, I don't know, we'll see. They were talking about 25 basic points, but November data on foreign payroll came out harder than expected. The market didn't like that, but it's holding so far. It came down right now. Let's check real quick. Let's see. The S&P futures is 1.2 negative, Nasdaq 1.8, Dow 1%, and Russell 1.5% red. Remember that we have rally the last on Wednesday. Yesterday we consolidate on that move to the upside, and today we are lower after data came out, which is expected. This a wider view, the macro view, where we can see better where we can go and what to expect in the next couple of days. As I posted in our group, our Discord group, as far as the ES stays above 4,005, which is the point where we touched this morning, it's all good. Not ideal, but it's okay. Below that, we can get in trouble. We get in the middle of this channel, and we can go and test the lower part of this uptrend channel, which is around 38.95. So let's talk intraday here. What's our pivot? What do we expect today? And here we are. Okay, so our pivot today is going to be right where we are right now, 40.25. Okay, 40.25 holds. I hope that you guys listen some of what I was saying since I started the video. My microphone wasn't on place, but it's okay. Hopefully it's at least loud enough you can hear. But so 40.25 pivot. Above that, we have room to 40.45, 40.70, which is the point where we were trading most of the day yesterday. And if this recovers, we most likely going to go back to 4100, 4120, 4140. After data today, I don't think we're going to go there today, but you never know. But I'm leaning today to the bearish side. Below 40.25, weakness is going to continue. We're probably gonna go down to test the 4,005 again. And if that breaks, we will start selling off to 39.85, which is the lowest we want to see before a actual strong sell-off occurs. If this breaks, then we are going down to 39.55 and most likely test the low of the day from Wednesday and Tuesday, that was around 39.40, 39.50. Leaning bearish below the pivot and leaning bullish neutral only, and only if we can retake this 40.45. We want to see a quick push from 40.25 to this 40.45. If it doesn't happen in the first 30 minutes, then that means the market is very weak and it's just digesting this move, and we most likely want to keep going lower. But we'll see. Let's check this. Let's check the spiral quick. Same as I said in the group, above 400, we should be fine. 400 was where we tested this morning after the data came out. 402 is going to be the pivot. Above that, 43.50, 45.5, 407, 408.50. Below 400, 402, then we have 400 again, 398.50, 397.27. 396 and 390, 394, which is the low of the day from Thursday, Wednesday, and Tuesday. Leaning again bearish, especially if we stay below the pivot. Crude is actually flattening the day at 81.20. Bitcoin at just shy of it's minus 0.2%, which not as bad as I was expected. TNX, the 10 years treasury index is up 1.6%. Usually when TNX is up, growth, sell off. So we'll check on that. For today, we have a few stocks on radar. We have Apple to the downside. Why to the downside? Because we're approaching this 145 level, which is critical for Apple. Below 145.15, 145. We have plenty of room lower. 143.20, then 142, and then back down to low of the day from Tuesday. That was around 140.4. We have also TLT to the downside. But only if we stay below 105. Below 105, we have room to test again 104. Probably go 103.2, and then probably 102. To the upside, we have some. One second. To the upside, we have Snow and Octa. Snow ripped yesterday, high of the day 155. Now setting off with the market, especially with TNX being higher. I like Snow if it can stay above 147. If he goes to 147 and stay there and supports become strong, then I like to take along on this probably next week 150 to 50 or 155. And Octa upgraded, good news, good numbers. Ripped yesterday too. It was trading at around low 50 and it came up to almost 70 bucks. Right now trading at 65 point, actually, yeah, 65, 65.5. I want to see a support on 64. If 64 holds, it might consolidate a little, and I would take Octa. I would take Octa at above 67, I would start thinking about taking some Octa. I might take some January, price January 75, depending on the price. And but yeah, I would like to see it not lower than 64, and then see how it reacts to this support. Other than that, it's going to be I would say a downtrend day. It usually happens after NFP comes higher than expected, especially in this economic period that we're living on. That means inflation still uh, not in the place where the Federal Reserve wants, and you know what happens. They're gonna want to keep raising rates, probably being more aggressive, and stock market don't like that. Any questions? Here in the video, you can leave us your message, and you can also join for free our Discord group. Like I said, every day I leave the free invitation link on the video description. Okay, have a great day.